Hello guys! Ayan nga, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. At ngayon nga ay may ituturo ako sa inyo tungkol sa mga gustong mag-appeal sa YouTube na na-demonetize yung channel nila at yung iba hindi na approve sa kanilang monetization. Ito ay para sa inyo. Panoorin nyo, mayroon akong video na ipapakita sa inyo kung papaano mag-appeal, mag-video appeal sa YouTube ng wala pang isang araw ay na-approve na niya ang request ng appeal ko. Para sa akin to kasi based on my experience to. Dahil yun nga ang ginawa natin, nag-apply tayo sa YouTube ng monetization pero na-denied tayo. Hindi tayo na-approve ng monetization at ang sabi ni YouTube, ang dahilan ay yung dahilan niya is dahil daw ay may reused content. May reused content ako. Kaya gumawa ako ng video appeal para mag-explain ng side ko sa YouTube na yung mga content ko ay hindi reused at galing mismo sa akin at yun ay very natural at organic. Kaya ayan, sa mga kababayan natin dyan na naranasan ang ganito or nararanasan nila ang ma-demonetize at hindi ma-approve ni YouTube sa monetization dahil sa reused content, para sa inyo to. Ayan, panoorin nyo. Hello YouTube team! I am Maridet Channel Vlogs and for today's video, I am going to share with you my appeal. Last May 8, 2024, I received an email from your team that my channel was not approved for monetization due to reused content. Based on my video, in my channel, I don't have any copyright claim that can cause reused content. That's why I am submitting an appeal. I make this video to explain to your team. My channel contains many different types of contents such as personal vlog, tutorial vlog, unboxing, travel vlog, and adventurous vlog. And now with Grandma Maria. Hello, Grandma. My videos are from me and it's all organic. Now I will show you what I used in making videos. First, I have here my cell phone, my tripod, and my wireless microphone. This is the house where I spent my time making videos. And this is the space where I shoot most of my vlogs with Grandma Maria. Right, Grandma? This is my editing tools and app. I use cell phone and to shoot my videos, and I am using CapCut and KineMaster. I will show you first the KineMaster where I can edit my videos here. This one, create, for example, this one from yesterday. This is where I can edit my videos in KineMaster. This is just simple. Hello guys! And this one I have to trim it here. Split and delete. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel na naman. Kumusta Lola? Okay lang. And just recently, I just use CapCut to edit my videos. In CapCut, I just collage my videos and upload it directly on my YouTube channel. Here, This one you can here, and I just edit some unwanted videos. And for example here, if I want to edit here, and this one, and then I will just download it, and it's starting exporting, and I'll directly upload it on my YouTube channel. That's it. That's it, YouTube team. Thank you, and please approve my appeal. God bless. So, ayan na nga guys. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa ating vlog ngayon, sa ating video appeal, na at sana ay maging tawag dito, maging anong tawag doon?
Meanwhile,
maging easy. Ano ba yung easy? Maging madali. Ayun, maging madali ang inyong paggawa ng video appeal, na kagaya ko ay na-approve ako ng wala pang isang araw. Sana ay ganun din sa inyo, at congratulations sa mga namomonetize na. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Sana ay makatulong ang aking video na ito para sa mga mag-a-apply mag-a-appeal sa kanilang YouTube.